When you're cornering, should you lean in or should you lean out? Because a go-kart has no differential, it's essential to lift the inside rear tyre when cornering. Leaning out will load the outside tyres with more grip, and if you combine this with the push-pull steering technique, it will allow you to take a corner as smoothly as possible. This is where your outside hand pushes against the steering wheel and your inside hand pulls slightly on the wheel. So by leaning out and pushing your outside hand against the steering wheel, you'll be able to rotate the kart much easier with minimal steering input. And this technique is especially useful for high-speed corners because you can drive them flat out by manipulating the weight transfer corner to corner whilst being on the limit of grip. Let us know if you've tried leaning and push-pull steering technique in the comments.